Title: Comprehensive Guide to High-Quality Drone Cameras, Unleashing Aerial Photography Potential. Introduction. In recent years, the world of aerial photography and videography has been transformed by the advent of high-quality drone cameras. These advanced devices have revolutionized the way we capture stunning visuals from unique perspectives. Whether you're a professional photographer, filmmaker, or simply an enthusiast, investing in a high-quality drone camera can elevate your creativity and bring your vision to life. This comprehensive guide is designed to provide you with in-depth knowledge about high-quality drone cameras, covering their features, capabilities, applications, and more. By the end, you'll have all the information you need to make an informed decision when choosing the perfect drone camera for your needs. Table of Contents. 1. Understanding drone cameras. What is a drone camera? The evolution of drone technology. Types of drone cameras. Benefits and applications of drone cameras. 2. Key factors to consider when choosing a high-quality drone camera. Image and video quality. Camera specifications and sensors. Flight performance and stability. Battery life and range. Controller and navigation features. Safety features and regulations. Budget considerations. 3. Top high-quality drone camera brands and models. DJI Inspire Series, Mavic Series, Phantom Series. Autel Robotics, Evo Series. Uniec, Typhoon Series. Freefly Systems, Alta Series. Parrot, Anafi Series. 4. Exploring advanced features and technologies. Obstacle avoidance systems. Follow Me mode and active tracking. Waypoint navigation. Gimbal stabilization. Live streaming and FPV first-person view. Intelligent flight modes. Automated editing and post-processing. 5. Enhancing drone camera performance with accessories. Extra batteries and chargers. Propeller guards and landing pads. ND filters and lens attachments. Carrying cases and backpacks. Remote controller extenders and signal boosters. Tablet mounts and sunshades. 6. Safety guidelines and regulations for drone camera usage. Federal Aviation Administration, FAA regulations, United States. Transport Canada regulations, Canada. European Union regulations. General safety precautions. Flying etiquette and privacy considerations. 7. Tips and techniques for capturing stunning aerial footage. Composition and framing. Lighting and exposure. Camera movements and angles. Time-lapse and hyperlapse techniques. Post-processing and color grading. 8. Inspiring examples of drone camera usage in various fields. Cinematography and filmmaking. Real estate and architecture. Travel and tourism. Sports and adventure. Environmental monitoring and conservation. Agriculture and surveying. 9. Maintenance and care for drone cameras. Cleaning and storage. Firmware updates and software maintenance. Troubleshooting common issues. Warranty and support. 10. Future trends and innovations in drone camera technology. 5G connectivity and remote operation. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Extended flight time and improved battery technology. Collapsible and portable design. Augmented reality, AR and virtual reality, VR integration. 11. Drone camera pilot training and certification. Basic flight training. Advanced flight skills and techniques. Aviation regulations and airspace awareness. Safety and emergency procedures. 12. Ethical considerations in drone photography and videography. Privacy and consent. Respect for wildlife and natural habitats. Cultural sensitivity and respect for local customs, following local laws and regulations. Conclusion. High-quality drone cameras have opened up new possibilities for capturing breathtaking aerial footage and imagery. Whether you're a professional or an enthusiast, these